All right, welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom. Today is really a special moment for everybody here in the JASMY community, especially me and the people who have been following this channel, because we really have been looking forward to this moment here for the last 9, 10, 11 days or so. I don't know how many updates I was making, and I was saying like, look, we are headed to something like 2.9 cents, 3 cents, something like that. But really, it's not about getting back to 2.9 cents or 3 cents. The issue here is that this kind of movement that we are seeing here on JASMY is pretty much going to be determining what is going to be happening next in terms of whether we're going to be continuing the bull cycle here for JASMY, or we are going to be headed for another cool off here in the JASMY price set. Now, if you take a look at some of the videos that we were making here, we were saying, okay, look, expect something like a 48% pump. Today we achieved that one. Yesterday I was saying 48 hours. Within 48 hours we can expect some kind of a huge breakout here. But we have already gotten that, and of course we are not just talking about these things, we are literally putting our money where our mouth is. We were talking with Patreon members yesterday, and they were taking the JASMY trade here with this symmetrical triangle. I'm pretty much sure everybody is happy, so that definitely is a good area to begin with. But what we want to see here is we want to see what is going to be happening next, because just as we were saying leading to this moment, saying that look, this is really going to be determining what is going to be happening next for JASMY. Are we still going to be headed to something like 54 cents, $1.20 and stuff like that, or the price will crater down a little bit, right, and the markets will cool off one more time? Let me show you what we have here with the JASMY price set. But before we get there, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread this video just by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and people looking for JASMY content will now be able to find this video much more easily. If you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, I want to encourage you to do that, really, because I do TA on JASMY and a number of other altcoins on a regular basis. Without me further running my mouth too much, let's get back to the 4-hourly time from here, and we are seeing that we have broken this downward sloping resistance here, and really this is just a good indication that at least maybe the bulls are now starting to take control of this market, right? But still, grabbing off Fibonacci retracement 2 from the very top here to the very bottom, we are now seeing that look, we are headed for a kind of big resistance between something like 2.9 cents and 3.2 cents here. And really what is going to be happening here is really going to be crucial. I'll show you charts which are indicating how important this level is. So just to be honest with you, we have already risen up something like 50% from the bottom. It's normal to expect some kind of a rejection in this one here, 3.2 cents especially, right? Or even like the 2.9. I mean, it's a bar of resistance, right? But that doesn't mean that JASMY is immediately going to be turning bearish right at that point. Now, if you take a look at the underlying indicators on a daily time frame, the MACD just crossed here, and really this is very much reactionary on the JASMY price at end. More often than not, it really gets it right. So it means that probably JASMY still has got like some momentum to push to right around 3.2 cents, and I really want to see a break and close above that level for one specific reason that I'm going to be showing you in a minute. But the RSI is also looking very much healthy. What we don't want to see here with the RSI is to be stopped right around the 60 mark. Not too good, right? But now let me quickly show you the most important thing. This chart that you are seeing here is a daily chart, obviously, but we are looking here at the 50 daily moving average. I've said time and again that this is the single most important moving average on the JASMY price set. Below JASMY is pretty much effed. Above it, JASMY is fantastic. But now here, I don't think that since we are below it right now, it's really going to be too bad, because we have got a net uptrend here. In the bear market, yes, it was really detrimental, but right now, I've said, even when we had that crash that day, I was opening a short here and I was saying that, look here, yeah, we are shorting, but we're not really saying that it's over for JASMY, right? We're looking for a comeback, and we have always, ever since that day, waited back here, and just as we were having back right here. So now what we just want to see here is rising, right? Break a daily candle outside of that 50 daily moving average, close 1 or 2 above that level there. Let's say this one continues like this, right? I hope you guys can see, and then we are out of the woods. This really is my strong belief. Now, should JASMY come back here, let's say that's 3.2 cents, right? And then gets a rejection. Yeah, short term is not going to be too good for JASMY. We are definitely going to be opening a short position right there, and I'll be posting it over there in the Patreon. But even in that situation, we'd have to obviously reanalyze and try to see, are we going to be losing these lows one more time, or we're going to be holding them? All that information, I'll definitely be updating you. But for now, I look at this here and I'm looking and I'm saying, wow, this is actually a make or break moment for the JASMY price set, and it's really key. I don't know if a lot of people understood what I'm trying to say here, but still, whatever the case, should we now shift our attention to our longer time frame perspective? We are still seeing our amazing structure here on JASMY, which I've showed you time and again that look, if you are looking for a 100x, if you are looking for a 10x, this is exactly where we are supposed to be looking here with JASMY. What we have done with this structure is that we have gone on to compare what JASMY is doing right now versus what other cryptocurrencies were doing back then in their bear cycles, and we have just realized that look, JASMY is also very much doing the normal thing here. I'll just go ahead and call the Cardano price set really because we use it a lot, right? So that's ADA USDT, and go back to, you know, this bear cycle here of 2018, 2019. You realize that JASMY is pretty much following the same thing. Look, if nobody tells you that, look, this is JASMY, this is Cardano, you probably won't realize it. I mean, take a look at the trajectory and take a look at where we are headed long term. We should not be worried about JASMY, but short term here, that 50 daily moving average really has to be broken, and then we can say, look, we are out of the woods and we are headed for something like 54 cents here from the structure that we were looking for from Velo, as well as $1.20. This is our best case scenario from the structure that we were investigating with Ethereum. But obviously, remember, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't be buying or selling anything because of anything I say, alright? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I'll have to see you on the very next one. Take good care of yourselves.